Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable network speed indicator on the status bar in this device. For this, go to settings and scroll down, tap on the option notification and status bar. Then tap on the option status bar. So here you can see the option real time network speed. Then turn on this one. Now I am going to turn on this one. Then you can see the network speed indicator will come here. Turn on this one. Now you can see that the speed indicator came here. So let me show you some changes. Now I am going to browse something in this device. Then you can see the change. The network speed indicator is changing. You can see, right? I will show you the closer view. Then you can see the change. So yeah, I am going to type something. You can see that network speed indicator is changing. You can see here, right? So simply in this way you can enable the network speed indicator on the status bar in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.